New Relic 1. Online Training. Introduction to New Relic 1, an overview. Introduction to New Relic 1, an overview. New Relic 1 is a comprehensive observability platform designed to provide real-time insights into the performance and health of software applications, infrastructure, and digital experiences. It consolidates data from various sources, enabling organizations to monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize their technology stacks in a unified interface. Here's an overview of what New Relic 1 offers. 1. Unified Observability Platform. New Relic 1 combines application performance monitoring, APM, infrastructure monitoring, logs, and digital experience monitoring into a single platform. This integration allows teams to see a complete picture of their system's performance and health, reducing the need for multiple tools and streamlining operations. 2. Application Performance Monitoring, APM. New Relic's APM is a core component of New Relic 1. It provides detailed insights into the performance of applications, including transaction traces, error rates, and response times. Developers and operations teams can use these metrics to diagnose performance issues, optimize code, and ensure applications run smoothly. 3. Infrastructure Monitoring. With New Relic 1, organizations can monitor the health and performance of their infrastructure, whether it's on premises, in the cloud, or in a hybrid environment. It offers visibility into servers, containers, and other infrastructure components, helping teams identify and resolve issues before they impact end users. 4. Logs Management. New Relic 1 includes log management capabilities, allowing users to collect, analyze, and visualize log data alongside other observability data. This integration provides context-rich insights, making it easier to correlate log data with application and infrastructure performance. 5. Digital Experience Monitoring. The platform offers tools for monitoring the end-user experience, including real user monitoring, RUM, and synthetic monitoring. These tools help organizations understand how users interact with their applications and identify issues that may affect user satisfaction and engagement. 6. AI-powered insights. New Relic 1 leverages artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning to provide proactive insights and anomaly detection. The platform can automatically detect patterns and anomalies in data, helping teams identify potential issues before they become critical. 7. Custom dashboards and visualizations. Users can create custom dashboards to visualize the data that matters most to them. New Relic 1's flexible and interactive visualizations allow teams to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and track the health of their systems in real time. 8. Extensibility and integrations. New Relic 1 is highly extensible, with support for a wide range of integrations. It can ingest data from third-party tools and services, making it a versatile platform for observability across diverse technology stacks. 9. Collaboration and incident response. The platform supports collaboration through features like alerts, notifications, and incident management tools. Teams can quickly respond to issues, share insights, and work together to resolve incidents, reducing downtime and improving reliability. 10. Security and compliance. New Relic One provides robust security features, including role based access control, data encryption, and compliance with industry standards. This ensures that sensitive data is protected and that organizations can meet regulatory requirements. Getting started with New Relic One, installation and setup. Getting started with New Relic One, installation and setup. New Relic One is a powerful observability platform that helps you monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize your entire stack, from infrastructure to applications. Here's how to get started with its installation and setup. 1. Create a New Relic account. Sign up. Visit the New Relic website and sign up for an account. Choose a plan. New Relic offers various plans, including a free tier. Select the one that suits your needs. 2. Install the New Relic agent. New Relic agents are responsible for collecting data from your applications and infrastructure. You can install agents for different environments. For applications, Java. Download the agent from the New Relic Java agent page. Download the MSI installer from the New Relic website. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. 3. Configure the New Relic agent. After installation, you need to configure the agent with your New Relic license key. License key. Find your New Relic license key in your account settings. Configuration file. Edit the configuration file, example newrelic.yml for Java or newrelic.js for node.js, and set your license key. 4. Start monitoring. Deploy your application. Once the agent is installed and configured, deploy your application. Verify data collection. Log into your New Relic account and navigate to the appropriate section, APM, infrastructure, etc., to ensure data is being collected. 5. Explore New Relic One features. Dashboards. Create custom dashboards to visualize your data. Alerts. Set up alerts to notify you when specific conditions are met. Distributed tracing. Use distributed tracing to track requests across multiple services. 6. Set up integrations. New Relic One supports various integrations for cloud services, databases, and more. AWS, Azure, GCP use New Relic's integrations to monitor your cloud infrastructure. Kubernetes. Install the New Relic Kubernetes integration to monitor your clusters. 7. Optimize and troubleshoot. Application performance monitoring. APM. Use APM to identify and troubleshoot performance issues. Logs. Collect and analyze logs directly within New Relic. Synthetic monitoring. Set up synthetic monitors to test your application's availability and performance. Exploring New Relic One's user interface and features. New Relic One is a comprehensive observability platform designed to help organizations monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize their applications, infrastructure, and customer experiences in real time. Its user interface, UI, and features are tailored to provide a seamless and integrated experience for users, offering deep insights into application performance, infrastructure health, and end user experiences. User interface, UI, overview. Home dashboard. Centralized view. The Home dashboard offers a centralized view of key metrics and insights across your entire tech stack. It displays high-level summaries, allowing users to quickly grasp the overall health and performance of their environment. Customizable widgets. Users can customize the dashboard by adding widgets for specific metrics, charts, and reports, enabling a personalized experience. Navigation. Global Navigation Bar. Located at the top of the interface, this bar allows easy access to different modules such as APM, Application Performance Monitoring, Infrastructure, Logs, and Dashboards. Entity Explorer. This feature enables users to explore and filter different entities, such as applications, services, and hosts, to drill down into specific areas of interest. Entity Dashboards. Pre-built dashboards. Each monitored entity, such as an application or service, comes with pre-built dashboards that provide detailed insights into performance metrics, error rates, throughput, and more. Custom dashboards. Users can create custom dashboards to track specific metrics or combine data from multiple entities into a single view. Chart Builder. Data visualization. The Chart Builder tool allows users to create custom charts and visualizations by querying data from various sources. It supports multiple chart types, including line graphs, bar charts, and heat maps. NRQL. New Relic query language. Users can write queries using NRQL to extract and visualize data, offering flexibility in how information is presented. Alerts and incidents. Alerting mechanisms. New Relic One provides robust alerting features, allowing users to set up alerts based on thresholds, anomaly detection, or specific events. Alerts can be customized for different severity levels and routed to the appropriate teams via integrations with tools like Slack or PagerDuty. Incident Management. The platform integrates incident management tools to help teams respond to and resolve issues quickly. This includes viewing incident timelines, associated alerts, and related root cause analysis. Logs. Log management. New Relic One's log management feature aggregates and indexes logs from various sources, allowing users to search, filter, and analyze logs within the platform. Correlation with metrics. Logs can be correlated with other metrics, providing context when troubleshooting issues, such as identifying when an error spike coincided with a particular log event. Monitoring application performance with New Relic One. New Relic One is a comprehensive observability platform designed to monitor and manage application performance, providing real-time insights into your applications, infrastructure, and customer experiences. Here's how it works and some key features. Key features of New Relic One for monitoring application performance. Real-time monitoring. New Relic One offers real-time monitoring of your entire application stack, including microservices, databases, and cloud infrastructure. It helps identify performance issues as they happen, reducing the mean time to resolution, MTTR. Distributed tracing. Distributed tracing enables you to track requests as they flow through various services and components within your application. This helps in identifying bottlenecks and performance issues in complex, distributed environments. Custom dashboards. New Relic One allows you to create custom dashboards that visualize key performance metrics such as response times, error rates, and throughput. These dashboards can be tailored to specific teams or use cases. AI powered alerts. The platform uses AI and machine learning to detect anomalies in your application performance. It provides intelligent alerts that notify you of potential issues before they impact users. Infrastructure monitoring. In addition to application performance, New Relic One monitors the underlying infrastructure, including servers, containers, and cloud services. This holistic view helps correlate infrastructure issues with application performance. APM, Application Performance Monitoring. New Relic's APM tools provide deep visibility into application performance, including detailed transaction traces, database query analysis, and code level diagnostics. This helps developers and operations teams understand the root causes of performance problems. User experience monitoring. The platform includes features like real user monitoring, RUM, and synthetic monitoring, allowing you to track the user experience and simulate user interactions. This helps ensure that your applications deliver a smooth and reliable experience. Integrations. New Relic One integrates with a wide range of third-party tools and services, including CI/CD pipelines, logging tools, and cloud providers. This allows for seamless integration into your existing DevOps workflows. Kubernetes and microservices support. For modern, containerized applications, New Relic One offers monitoring and management features tailored to Kubernetes environments, including service maps, pod level metrics, and cluster health monitoring. Custom instrumentation. You can extend New Relic's capabilities by adding custom instrumentation to your applications, enabling you to track specific metrics and events that are critical to your business. Benefits of using New Relic One. Improved visibility. Gain end-to-end visibility into your application performance across all environments. Faster issue resolution. Quickly identify and resolve performance issues with detailed diagnostics and real-time alerts. Enhanced collaboration. Custom dashboards and shared insights promote better collaboration between development, operations, and business teams. Scalability. New Relic One scales with your applications, making it suitable for both small teams and large enterprises. Real-time data analytics and dashboards in New Relic One. New Relic One is a powerful platform for real-time data analytics and dashboards, offering comprehensive tools to monitor, analyze, and visualize your application's performance in real time. Here's a detailed overview of how it works. 1. Real-time data collection. Telemetry data platform. New Relic One's telemetry data platform ingests, stores, and queries massive amounts of data in real time. This data includes logs, metrics, events, and traces, often abbreviated as MELT. Custom instrumentation. You can instrument your applications to send custom events, logs, and metrics to New Relic in real time, allowing you to monitor specific parts of your system that are critical to your business. 2. Dashboards. Custom dashboards. New Relic One allows you to create custom dashboards that can display real-time data from multiple sources. You can drag and drop various widgets like charts, heat maps, tables, and more to visualize data. Pre-built dashboards. The platform provides a variety of pre-built dashboards for common use cases like application performance monitoring, APM, infrastructure monitoring, and user experience monitoring. Real-time streaming. Dashboards in New Relic One update in real time, ensuring that the data you see is always current. This is crucial for monitoring critical applications or systems where delays in data updates could lead to significant issues. 3. Data visualization. Rich visualization options. New Relic One supports a wide range of visualization options, including line charts, bar charts, histograms, and more, allowing you to present your data in the most meaningful way. Facet analysis. You can drill down into your data by filtering and segmenting it based on various attributes, enabling you to uncover insights and trends that are relevant to specific segments of your users or infrastructure. 4. Alerts and anomaly detection. Real-time alerts. New Relic One integrates with various alerting systems, allowing you to set thresholds and receive alerts when your metrics go beyond those thresholds. Alerts can be sent via email, SMS, Slack, or other channels. Anomaly detection. The platform includes AI-powered anomaly detection, which automatically identifies and alerts you to unusual patterns in your data that could indicate potential issues. 5. Integration with other tools. Open telemetry and integrations. New Relic One supports open telemetry and integrates with a wide range of tools and services like AWS, Azure, Kubernetes, and more. This allows you to bring in data from various sources and have a unified view of your entire technology stack in one place. APIs and SDKs. New Relic provides APIs and SDKs that you can use to send data from your applications directly to New Relic, enabling you to monitor custom applications and services. 6. Querying data. NRQL. New Relic Query Language. NRQL is a powerful query language that allows you to perform complex queries on your data in real time. You can use NRQL to filter, aggregate, and analyze your data, and then visualize the results directly in your dashboards. 7. Use cases. Performance monitoring. Monitor the performance of your applications, databases, and infrastructure in real time, and use dashboards to identify bottlenecks or areas that need improvement. User experience monitoring. Track real-time data on user interactions with your application, including page load times, error rates, and more. Infrastructure monitoring. Keep an eye on your servers, containers, and cloud services with real-time metrics and alerts that notify you of any potential issues. Integrating New Relic One with your existing tech stack. Integrating New Relic One with your existing tech stack can greatly enhance your ability to monitor, analyze, and optimize the performance of your applications and infrastructure. Here's how you can approach this integration. 1. Understand your current tech stack. Inventory. Identify the components of your tech stack, including programming languages, frameworks, databases, cloud services, and CI/CD tools. Determine monitoring needs. Establish what you need to monitor: application performance, infrastructure health, user experience, etc. 2. Leverage New Relic's agents and SDKs. Language support. New Relic provides agents for various programming languages such as Java, Python, Node.js, Ruby, .NET, and more. Install the relevant agents in your applications to start monitoring. Custom instrumentation. Use New Relic's SDKs and APIs to create custom instrumentation if the out-of-the-box agents don't cover specific parts of your stack. 3. Integrate with cloud providers. AWS, Azure, and GCP. New Relic has integrations for major cloud providers. Connect your cloud services to monitor cloud infrastructure, services, and billing. Kubernetes and Docker. Use New Relic to monitor containerized environments. Integrations with Kubernetes and Docker allow you to track container performance and health metrics. 4. Connect CI/CD tools. Continuous integration. Integrate New Relic with CI tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, or CircleCI to monitor build performance and detect issues early in the development cycle. Deployment tracking. Use New Relic's deployment markers to correlate changes in your codebase with performance data, helping you understand the impact of each deployment. 5. Enable logging and distributed tracing. Log management. Integrate New Relic logs to centralize and analyze logs across your stack. This allows for quicker troubleshooting and better visibility into log data. Distributed tracing. Implement distributed tracing to track requests as they move through microservices and distributed systems, providing end-to-end visibility. 6. Monitor databases and infrastructure. Database monitoring. Use New Relic's database monitoring tools to track query performance, database uptime, and resource utilization. Infrastructure monitoring. Connect servers, virtual machines, and other infrastructure components to New Relic infrastructure to monitor health and performance metrics. 7. Set up alerts and dashboards. Custom alerts. Configure alert policies based on thresholds that are critical to your business. Use New Relic's AI-powered alerts to reduce noise and focus on what matters. Dashboards. Create custom dashboards to visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, across your tech stack. New Relic's pre-built and customizable dashboards provide real-time insights. 8. Integrate with collaboration tools. Incident management. Integrate New Relic with tools like PagerDuty, Slack, or ServiceNow to automate incident response and improve team collaboration during outages. Custom workflows. Use New Relic's webhooks to trigger custom workflows in response to specific events or conditions detected in your monitoring data. Customizing alerts and notifications in New Relic One. Customizing alerts and notifications in New Relic One allows you to tailor the monitoring experience to your specific needs, ensuring that you get timely and relevant information. Here's how you can customize alerts and notifications. 1. Define alert conditions. Navigate to Alerts and AI. In the New Relic One interface, go to the Alerts and AI section. Create or modify policies. You can either create a new alert policy or modify an existing one. Set alert conditions. Choose the conditions under which you want to trigger an alert. These conditions can be based on metrics like error rates, response times, or custom events. Thresholds and violations. Set thresholds for when these conditions should trigger an alert. You can define different levels of severity and decide when a condition is considered a violation. 2. Configure notification channels. Select notification channels. New Relic supports various notification channels including email, Slack, webhook, PagerDuty, and more. Add and manage channels. Under the alert policy, add the desired notification channels. You can set different channels for different severity levels of alerts. Customize message format. For some channels like webhooks, you can customize the payload format to include specific details in the alert notifications. 3. Fine-tuning alert policies. Dynamic baseline alerts. Use dynamic baselines to create alerts based on statistical deviations rather than fixed thresholds. This can be useful for detecting anomalies. Muting rules. Set up muting rules to temporarily silence alerts during known maintenance windows or other expected downtimes. Incident preferences. Customize how incidents are created from alerts. You can choose to group similar alerts into a single incident or create separate incidents for each alert. 4. Use notification preferences. User-specific notifications. In New Relic 1, individual users can set their notification preferences to receive alerts on their preferred channels. Notification suppression. Avoid alert fatigue by setting up suppression rules to limit the number of notifications received within a certain time frame. 5. Integrate with external tools. Integration with ITSM. You can integrate New Relic alerts with IT service management tools like ServiceNow to automatically create tickets or incidents. Collaboration tools. Integrate with tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams to send alerts directly to your team's communication channels. 6. Monitoring and adjusting. Monitor alert performance. Use New Relic's dashboards to monitor the performance of your alerts and make adjustments as necessary. Test alerts. Before fully deploying, test your alerts to ensure they trigger as expected and send notifications correctly. Why choose ProExcellency for New Relic 1 online training? Choosing ProExcellency for New Relic 1 online training might offer several advantages depending on their specific course structure and offerings. Here are some potential reasons why you might opt for ProExcellency. Expert instructors. ProExcellency may provide access to experienced instructors who are well versed in New Relic 1, ensuring that you receive quality training from professionals with hands-on experience. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs might cover all aspects of New Relic 1, from basic to advanced topics, allowing you to gain a deep understanding of the platform's capabilities, including monitoring, observability, and analytics. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency is likely designed to be flexible, allowing you to learn at your own pace and fit your study schedule around other commitments. Interactive sessions. The training might include interactive elements such as live sessions, Q&A, and hands-on labs, helping you to apply your knowledge practically and solve real-world problems. Certification support. ProExcellency might offer support for New Relic 1 certification, guiding you through the process and helping you prepare for certification exams. Post-training support. They may provide ongoing support even after the training is completed, helping you with any challenges you might face while using New Relic 1 in a real-world environment. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency might offer competitive pricing for their courses, making it a cost-effective option for learning New Relic 1. Positive reviews and testimonials. If Pro Excellency has a track record of positive feedback from past participants, it can be a good indicator of the quality of their training programs. Thank you.